The profit a company makes decreases exponentially at a rate of 0.9% per year. In 2014, the profit was 9,500. Calculate the profit in 2019. So in 2014, it is 9,500, and now we have to find for 2019. How many years in gap? 14 to 19 is 5 years. In 5 years, how it decreased? Yes, here they gave the rate is decreasing by 0.9%. First, we have to find the multiplier. So, how will you find the multiplier? Means 100 minus 0.9, that is 99.1. So, since it is decreasing, I'll write multiplier as 0.991. I'll be teaching you how to identify this multiplier in a second, in some other video. Now, we'll be using this multiplier to find the profit decrease. So, 9,500 into what is the multiplier? 0.991. And how many years it is happening? For 5 years. If you just put this in your calculator, you will get the answer as 9080. Yes. So in 2019, your profit would be 9080. So you have to clear with the multiplier how we are finding the multiplier. If you find how to find multiplier, then it is easy to do all problems related to percentage increase and percentage decrease.